Good morning. My name is Will. My full name is Willem Abraham van Dijk. I am from South Africa. My farming experience or agri experience consists of small scale farming when I was a child. Uh, Doing this together with my parents in those days. We had some cattle, a lot of chickens, mostly laying. I had some Dexters myself. Uh, I am a qualified electrician and a qualified mechanical fitter. My roles in the electrician business started at Earlybird Farms in Standerton in Mpumalanga. They do Goldie products, all poultry products, a lot of poultry experience, including laying sites or laying, rearing, hatchery, and everything to do with that with regards to electrical and mechanical work. Repairs done, automation's done on laying systems, feeding systems, cooling systems. I worked there for a couple of years. I've some more experience agri-wise. I worked for Howard Fruit Farming in Limpopo. We had a lot of irrigation systems there. I can repair most of that mechanical, electrical pipe work. It's not issues. I rebuilt or built rather from two factories a export plant, a packing place where grapes were packed after picking, and I completed this with a week until the season started. It was a successful story and I'm very proud of that. And the year I left that behind, there was 110,000 cases of grapes being exported. I've got a lot of experience regarding electricity, mechanical work, even welding. I have uh, experience being a leader. The difference between a leader and a manager is exactly that. You lead. Integrity is one of my big, strong places to go, and that is the one thing you cannot sell. You have to live it, make it the foundation in your life. I'm honest. I do not stuff around in work. I do not stuff around. I do not drink alcohol, although I like eating. Alcohol is a no-no. I don't smoke either. I haven't got time for that. When I work hard. I don't play hard. I'm a very conservative kind of person. I respect the people I work for. From now until then, that'll never change. I can drive and operate most probably anything with four wheels or more for that matter. But I have got a bit limited experience in all of that. I have experience in some tractors, which you will see on my resume. Trucks, the smaller kind, not the huge ones, the Interlinks and the Links. I need to mention experience with regards to uh, high voltage or then medium voltage in these days. With regards to that, at this stage, I can most probably sell myself as something like a one-stop electrician dash mechanical fitter, jack of most trades. I don't think there's ever a trade that you will master fully, but I've got a lot of experience with regards to that. I can I can weld, gas cutting, gas welding, some TIG welding I can do, MIG welding I did, a lot of pipe work, plumbing, being a handyman overall. I love tools and that is one of my hobbies as well. On the other hand, I love reading as well, so that's maybe a bit of a paradox. Thinking about farming in the US, I think that's a huge uh, accomplishment, so to speak, with experience that'll come your way, and then that I can share with people I work for and work with. Um, I think there is some experience to share and to learn as well. We are never too old to learn. However, there is a certain age that you can also teach and coach younger people on what you know and what you learned over the years. Medically, I'm fit, I'm rather strong still. I haven't got a problem with hard work, never had, and I'm proud of that. I'm absolutely not strong on the wrong side of a lens, as you can see. I hope this little self portrait of mine will find you good and well, and you approve of it. Have a beautiful and a blessed day. Thank you.